Hi, I'm Edgar. I'm with Lumina Networks. I'm the Vice President of Technical Operations, and today I'd like to share with you one of our current projects in NetDev to take a project out of the lab and into production. Our customer has decided that they needed to improve the efficiency, their operational efficiency, and this is around network automation. They have an optical network, and they have a business operations system based around Salesforce. They do everything in Salesforce. And they really wanted to enable that Salesforce workflow to drive what's happening in the network, in their optical network. They realized they needed this, and they wanted to find a way to get to start to realize the benefits of SDN. They had projects in their lab around the SDN controller, specifically the Lumina SDN controller and the Leap, our extension platform around the Lumina SDN controller. And so that was kind of a natural fit for their, let's try to make this real initiative that they were embarking. So we took the Lumina SDN controller, and by design, its job is to really provide an abstraction layer. It's really about decoupling what's happening at the application layer, this business operations or business support systems layer, from what's happening at the network layer, these network elements down here. Right? It provides an abstraction layer, and it provides that decoupling. Now you can change whatever you're doing down here at the network layer, mix and match pieces there, add vendors, really provide a lot of adaptability and interchangeability of what's happening down here, and separate that from what's happening at your business software layer. In this case, for our use case, it's about Salesforce, and everything is centered around Salesforce, but it could be any combination of business applications. The Lumina SDN controller and Leap provide a model-driven, reusable framework to adapt the way data flows between these two different components of the business, right? The business applications and the network. This allows our customer to really be agile with the way that they operate their business and the way that they develop and provision services in their network. It separates the business application and the way they design the workflows and which network devices they're using, different vendors, different components in the network, whether there's routers or switches or optical transport, and really enables the customer to realize the promise of SDN networks. Thank you very much for joining us, and we'll see you next week.